Is your Aura frame not displaying all your cherished memories? Several factors can cause this issue, but don't worry, most are easily fixed with these systematic troubleshooting steps. First, check Aura's service status for any outages. Cloud service issues can prevent your photos from syncing properly to your frame. Next, ensure your Aura app is up to date. App problems can prevent proper syncing between your phone and the frame. A weak Wi-Fi connection is the most common culprit. Move your frame closer to the router and restart both devices to improve connectivity. Confirm that new photos are added to the correct album linked to your frame, and verify that uploads haven't been paused in the app. Finally, verify that your photos are in a compatible format. Aura frames support JPEG, JP2, TIFF, PNG, BMP, and IC files. Note that animated GIFs are not supported. These 5 troubleshooting steps resolve most missing photo issues with Aura frames. Work through them systematically for the best results. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, the issue might be hidden or excluded photos. Another frame member could have removed photos, or you may have accidentally excluded them using the touch bar. On iOS devices, photo access might be limited in your account settings. You need to check and update photo permissions in your device settings to allow the Aura app full access to your photo library. Upload delays can occur due to several factors, including photo location in iCloud, Wi-Fi strength, and file sizes. For faster uploads, upload photos in batches of up to 100 images and keep your phone connected to Wi-Fi and power. As a last resort, you can reset your Aura frame to factory settings. Use a paperclip or similar tool to press and hold the reset button on the frame for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes dark. This will restore all default settings.